Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so happy you found me. I have a beautiful Easter ribbon wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make this style wreath. This wreath is perfect if you have a storm door, as it is very slim and will fit perfectly between your front door and your storm door. Let me show you how to make it. To get started on this project, you're going to need one of the 14-inch wreath forms that you can get from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need at least 2 rolls of the regular burlap ribbon that you can get at Dollar Tree. This is 2 inches at 9 feet. And then you will need 3 of their pink burlap. Again, this is 2 inches at 9 feet. You will want to go ahead and cut your ribbon at 6 inches in length. We're going to start with the burlap ribbon, and I want to dovetail my ends. So just fold it in half. And I don't like too deep of a dovetail, so I usually only drop down about a 1/2 inch, and that'll give you a nice little dovetail. We will be attaching the burlap ribbon here to the inner ring all the way around. There are 6 sections, and a section is between each of the crossbars. In each section, it should take about 6 ribbons. So I'm going to go ahead and start attaching them here. And it's very simple. Just fold it in half. Feed it around either side of that inner ring and pull the sides together. Now you don't want them to be right so that they line up like that. You want them to be off just a little bit, like that. So grab it, and then you're going to add some hot glue and push it over, okay? So open it up, add a little bit of hot glue right here onto the wire frame. Pull over, make sure that they're not lined up, and then push over. You want it to take up about 1 inch worth of space. Just be cautious not to burn yourself because it will come through the burlap. I'll show you again. Fold it in half. Feed it on either side of that inner ring. Add a little bit of hot glue to the wire bar. Pull the ends together, make sure that they're a little off center, and then scrunch over so that your ribbon here is just about 1 inch. Hold it for a few minutes until the glue sets up. That should look like that. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple sections done, and then I'll come back and show you what it's looking like. I have 1 roll of ribbon cut and attached to my frame, and it covers half of the ring. So 2 rolls will be perfect to do your inner ring. I have all my burlap ribbon on, and now I'm starting to add my pink ribbon. So here on the back you can see I'm applying the pink ribbon the same way that I applied the burlap, but I am applying it to the 3rd ring from the center, or the 2nd ring from the outside right here. I think that looks really pretty with the burlap natural. and then the pink behind it. Now this section is a little bit larger because the ring is a little bit larger, so it will take 9 ribbons to fill in this section. On the brown, it only took 6. I'm going to go ahead and finish my base. I have all my ribbon on and I'm really happy with that. Now this ribbon I just recently picked up from Dollar Tree, and this is their new burlap. They don't have the same burlap ribbon they used to, and I have to say I am not impressed with this burlap ribbon. As you can see here on the edges, it frays and comes apart. Now their old ribbon did not do that. For this wreath, it's going to be okay because this is kind of a farmhouse rustic wreath, so I'm not worried about it. But now that I know for the future, I will not be using their burlap ribbon for any type of cut method like this. Okay, once you have that done, go ahead and set that aside. Now for your sign, you're going to need some floral wire to attach it and a pipe cleaner. So here on the back where the holes were to hang the sign, I ran some floral wire through and twisted it. And then I glued half a pipe cleaner on either side here at the bottom. Now I picked this sign up from the 99-cent store. I thought it was absolutely adorable. I just really loved that pink checker here in the back. And I really liked the bicycle. Plus it's the perfect size for this project. When looking for a sign, you want one that is just slightly larger than the center, so it will cover this inner ring. Okay, and then to attach this, you just take your floral wire and your pipe cleaners. Just move your ribbon aside and attach it to the metal frame in the back. I have my sign attached and I'm really happy with how it looks. I really do like the natural and pink burlap. For the final addition to the wreath, just simply add a jute cord bow. Add a dollop of hot glue and place your bow. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching. Thanks so much for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time.